Are they called? See, look at me now. Pum pum pum. Kuya, tingin. TikTok. Where she go? Where she go? Malamig kuya. Good.
Where's the fishes?
The fishes? I don't know. Huwag na, baka maano ka pa. Where she goes. Ganun. Mabilis na. To ano lang. Where she goes. Kuya, gano'n ka. Where she goes. Sige. Abe. Go. Wala, gusto niya lumabas. Where she goes. Where she goes again. Ba't pa ayaw mo? Ay! Obe, magtitiktok kami where she goes. Where she goes. This is the place we will gonna stay. Ay, tabi ka ate, tabi! And there's Daddy. Nag-buy sila ng water. And here is the old gasoline station. From since 1669. Wow. That's so old. And here's the tractor that they are using to magtanim. Ano ba yung magtanim sa English? To plant I don't know, rice or what. See, look at the house. It's so nice.
Guys, I'm gonna give you guys a tour.
Yes.
Come on.
Come on. Look at the nature. Oops. Althea, you have to wait. No. My ate. Oh, I will. Let's go bariday. Stand up. We will stay here for one night because it's already late at night. I think it's 8:30. It's already 8:30 in the night. But still, yeah. Sige, kuya. Dagat ando doon, di ba? Diyan ba? Sige, mamaya punta kami dyan.
Guys, I'm gonna give you guys a tour. There's the outside table and the chair.
Okay, and then let's go in. Here's the entrance. Yes, luto na. Bago kami umalis. May limit ata. Wait. Wait lang. Oh. Luto na.
This is big. And this is the kid.
Yeah. then here's the toilet. And
then this, and then we have a window, and then to see the wonderful weather, and of course
so nice. Snow in the summertime. Ay, okay. Ay, sorry. Mag-uwi ka sa ano, Thailand. Sa Thailand. Sa ano, Laos. Plastic mo, kuya. Ay, dulas. Tik tok 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 tik tok 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 tok. Yes. Game ko yan. Be, alam mo ko. Hindi ako makapag-live kanina.
Ate, huwag tanggal natin. Ano lang yan? Someone put it there.
Galing tayo din sa Tigoli. Babalik ulit. Ate. Ate. Where she goes. Be. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Daniel. Happy birthday, Daddy. Tak.
Dito na kami sa camping site.
After ma-build ng tent namin, sa loob naman maglalagay ng mga gamit. Okay? Na, nabuo na with our bed. Ito yung etusan. Our room, or open our room, Kuya's bed, our bed, and Atina's bed. That's how it is. Thank you for watching. Nice ride.
Gusto ko maligo dyan mamaya. Malamig pa eh. Caravan campers. Dito lang ako by hook kain. $17. Maya mag-fishing ako. Good morning. Atena. Ha? It's crying. Yes. Kita yung breeze.
Hi guys! Andito na naman kami ulit sa Olden. Ano ba yun? Sa Olden Camping. Ganda oh.
Ano uli? Ang laki?
Sino? Sana may ulam na si kuya. O tayo wala pa rin. Atina ha. May pang-ulam na si kuya, nakahuli na oh. Ganda dun oh. Woo! Ganda-ganda dito, promise. Second time na namin. Last year at saka ngayong year na to. Ate, tabi ka dyan. Baka masabitan ka ng ano. Dun yung glazer. Oh, si Tito Pat. Kakain na kami maya-maya. Mamaya. Fake din yung sa kanya? Doon yung tent namin sa taas. Before dito kami, as in napakalapit sa lake. Yes. O, tingin dito. Look here, ate na. Ate. Look at mommy. Oo. Kaway. Yeah, alis namin. Okay, okay. Row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to swim.
Yeah, you got that?
Sabi mo si Paolo. Ay, Atina. Paano ito ibabalik, kuya? Paano mo ibabalik? Hindi. Ah, okay. Lapit mo kay Paolo, kuya. Be, mag-toothbrush na sana kami dito dapat. Napunta kami dito sa toothbrushan. Tapos ando doon na. Ha? Hindi. Mag-fishing tayo. Dito pwede ba yun? Bakit? Oh, yeah. Ate. Ate. Ay, ate. Ate. Ay, nahulog. Maliligo si kuya. Nagtanong kami, saan pwede maligo? Deaban. Sabi niya, Deaban. Pwede daw, bebe. Ano yun? Bakit ano?
Is na kayo, pagkano?
Maliligo lang daw si kuya dito. Susubok lang daw siya sa ano. Oh, Osho, Osho.
Ano? Ano maligo?
Ano yun mo, Agus? Pwede, may pakahawak nga. Pwede na Agus si kuya.
Huwag ka masyadong ano.
Pwede na Agus si kuya. Saan dito? Tanggalin ko na yung jacket niya, mainit. Ay, ang galing mag-fishing ah.
Nandiyan pa. Kapulpo na namin.
Anuhin niya ko dyan. O baka naman ko, commercial to. Likidam. Likidam. Seko dito pa to. Wow. Yung nakamedyas. Mag-swim nakamedyas. Mag-life jacket ka kaya. Wow, dito pa. Dito pa swimming. Sabi natin kanina sa boat, jump daw siya, jump. Kaya ba? O, diretso ka ng ligo doon. Go! Palindig kami, nabidyoan ka na. Malamig? Hindi kaya. 15 degree ba yung tubig?
That's what I was meaning. It is very cold.
Ah, you experienced already, right?
Tito Pat, feel already what you feel.
Why was my tear? It is like here.
Look.
Can you find some fish there?
Hindi ko pala kaya marigo.
Where's it?
Can you see some fish? Can you see some fish?
Wala. No fish. Tapos ka na, kuya? Tapos ka na? Uy. Tito Pat is already done. Oh. Doon yung glazer. Sa baba ng glazer, pinaliguan ni Tito Pat. Doon yung glazer. Where is the glazer? One more pa.
100 more.
You want to swim all sa atin, ha? And Daddy Paulo is fishing there. Tito Pat is swimming. And Daddy is fishing and looking. Bakit nagbukol? Be? Dito pati swimming again.
Dive in. Jump in and swim.
Jump dito, Pat. Jump.
Ito, Pat. Do this.
May bato.
Ito, Pat.
Hindi nga pwede may bato. There's a stone.
Do it again.
Do it again. Do it again. Lumatawa si Althea. Is it fun, hindi? Is it fun? Tito Pat is swimming. Sabihin ko na towel mo. Dito. Sobrang lamig. Dito pati going to live in the pool. Ha? Kuya, baka madala ka dyan, ha? Kuya, baka maano? It's from the falls. Hindi malamig dito? O, mas malamig. It's from the falls, from the mountain. Oo. Uminom kang paraset mamaya, kuya, makakagnating ka. Uminom kang paraset. O, sasama yan. Tito Pat swimming? Tito Pat swimming. Bahala sa Pilipinas. Dun kuya oh. Ay, hindi pwede. Dito lang, dito pa lang. Kasi o, dito pa to. Hindi ka lang lamig.
I put food on the fishing rod.
Oh, wow.
It was
Dapat
hot.
mo no?
But go far to the bubbles.
Hindi pwede. Punta ka na dun sa may ano. Sa ano, Ida Farley.
So what you see there? Because when it's cold up there, it can hurt.
I'm on vacation. Every single... Mamaya meron tayong malamig na Coke. It's cold. Dito pa the Coke there.
Can I see?
Kasi ay nakatamaan.
Hiking naman. Nakatuktok.
Black sheep, have you any? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hi, hi. Ganyan ba yan? Ay, yung nanay lang nila yung may ano, kalembang. Para alam nila na follow the leader.
We're inside the woods. We're hiking.
I like this.
Maybe we're on halfway. Maybe. Let's see what's up here. Up there.
Where is Daddy going?
Tana, say hi.
Hello.
You go down first. The Hobbit House. Lord of the Ring. And we are in the top of the hills. Tana, say hi.
Hi.
They're coming. It's a blueberry. Let me taste it. You can taste it, but I can do it, but you cannot. What is this? Blueberries. Wild blueberries. Oh, good. Nice to meet you. We made it! Altayas! Sa baba. Yan, Hobbit House to eh. Yung sa Lord of the Ring. Ganyan yung style. Hobbit. Oh, come here. Oh, carry. Slowly.
Go. Yun o. Ganda ng view. hiking. Skiing? Ha? Hiking ba yan? Ha? Ah, ganda ng view. You know, we're here. See? Ganda oh.
Ang dami na pagkakas. Dami oh.
Chichirya. Yan, ito ang hiking namin. Hiking pa more.
Go inside the woods.
Hiking. Hindi nga. Maybe we are in a halfway. Ate.
Fall down.
Daddy's still there. Here. Mommy. Ate. Oh. Anong nangyari, kuya? Blueberry. We're here. Kuya, baka daw hindi blueberry yung iba makuha mo.
May mga parang bilang pasinusunan.
We're here na.
Kumain ka? May mga iba pa yung dito kayo. Pasinusunan.
Yes, yes. Dito na kami.
I don't like blueberry.
Woo!
Yes.
Ayun namin may tindahan.
We made it. Ay, ano ba? Hindi pa nakalabaw. Ano? Kambing. Kambing. Look at me now.
Okay.
I'm not there yet. I'm not done. I'm not done. Yay! Yay!
Cellphone ko. Cellphone ko. Ha? Pull mo nga man eh.
Glazer. Video muna to, ayan. Pag dugtong mo lang. Paharap at talikod. Uy, kuya!
Aray!
Ay, sorry. Dinner, mga busog na. Ayan ang view. Dami yung grrr. Laser. Our second time here. Sleeping si Althea, Bibi. Okay. Sige na. Huwag na ingay. Ganda-ganda. It's ano na. I think it's 10 o'clock in the evening. But it's still maliwanag. Kabilang camping site.
pupuntahan ko yan malapit sa ice place. Galing yan sa ilaw na snow sa taas. There you go. Oh, dahil buti nyo naka-raincoat ako. Woo! Nice! Ako nakapayong, ako naka-raincoat. Woo! Nice! Meron pa daw doon. At pa! Kanya, yung tubig na yan galing yan doon sa glacier, Matinaw, Diego. Hindi daw yan natutunaw all 3 years. 2 years. Natutunaw siya pero yung pangkalahatan hindi siya natutunaw. Yung mga ibang tourist hindi rin nila kahit libre naman mag-lakad eh. Dahil naglalakad. Hot host lang ng glacier. Sigam ko siya. Hot host ng glacier. Tapos marami pa yun. Check natin. Bridge. Bagsak yan doon. Siguro natin ito. 500 meters na lang. Yun na yung pinaka-closest viewpoint ng glacier. Tara, punta natin. See ka sa mga baby. Cute. Natin yan. Dito yung daan. Meron pa rin. Finally, I'm here. Woo! Ito na yung closest viewpoint ng glacier. Every summertime lang nila na-akit dito. Sinasarado nito every winter season. Dahil hindi siya sasarado kapag winter. Bulas. Yung glacier na yan, pages na yan, hindi ba napapawasan pero hindi ba? Nice! Nice, okay. Ganyan, isa kong dito. Check natin kung malamig. Putik! Lamig, grabe.